What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited about today's video because today I'm going to show you guys something that we got new for the car that I think will help us get some better track times. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, I do want to show you guys something really cool. And that is the new Jorge's Vlogs Shield logo cap. And it is a new era mixed cap. It is awesome. And I made a couple because I wanted to see what the stitching and embroidery were going to be like. And I really liked how they turned out. I'm not sure how many I'm going to order, but I probably will place an order for a few. So if you're interested in buying one of these caps, I haven't figured out the pricing yet, but unfortunately because it's a pretty good branded new era cap and it's custom logos and I'm not ordering a bunch, they are going to be somewhat pricey. I think you're looking at a range about $35 to $40 if you like a cap, but it is really awesome, really cool. If you are interested, comment down below or also send me an email. I'll have the email in the description below. As you guys know, this is my 2019 Camaro SS and it has gone in 11.7 at 120 miles an hour at the track with just an air intake, some long tube headers, and E85. That is very impressive. And of course, it's also been with a drag pack. These are the street wheels that I have for it. They're some MRR 1LE replica wheels. But for the track, if you haven't seen my videos already of me at the track, I use a drag pack from Weld Racing. They are the RTS 71s, I believe. 17 by 10 in the rear. And I was using 18 by 8 front weld runners, matching runners. Of course, here is my rear drag pack. As you guys can see, it's a 17 by 10 wheel with a 305/45 Mickey Thompson ET Street SS. And these tires have definitely seen their days, better days. So we're probably going to be getting some new tires pretty soon, depending on how often I go to the track. But you'll notice that my front weld wheels are not here, and that's because we just were able to get a good deal and upgrade to some true skinny drag radial wheels. There you have it, guys. Check this out. These are the Weld front 18 by 5-inch weld wheels. These came off of a CTSV, so they fit the bigger brakes and are in very good overall shape. Now, they don't have tires, so we actually had to get tires, and this is what I went with, guys. Right here are the Racemaster 28-inch tall, 18-inch M&H bias plies. Now you're wondering why bias plies and not a radial. If you guys don't know, there's two different types of tires that you can get. You can get bias plies tires, which have a certain different type of construction compared to the drag radial. Now, I don't know too much of the technical details, but what I do know is that there's a lot of people on there that say you shouldn't be mixing and matching. The 17 by 10 rear tires are actually radials, and these are bias plies. But even though they're different, I went with the bias plies up front because a bias ply tire will always be lighter than a radial. Just to put into perspective, a 28-inch tall skinny radial to fit these 18 by 5-inch wheels would come in and weigh around 24 pounds, 25 pounds. And these bias ply Racemasters only weigh 16 pounds each. So that is a weight difference of 10 pounds. that is a lot. Every pound really matters when it comes to rotating mass, and so I'm expecting us to lose quite a bit of weight with switching over to these skinnies. It is about 1 in the morning and we just got back from Mexico, and we had a couple good runs. Ran a 392 Charger, which was pretty good. I think it was a cat delete. I'll show you guys those runs here. We did a couple rolls. Couldn't really hear the signaling. They weren't honking it off. It was 1, 2, 3, and try to react to that while I was looking at the road. So I am a little out of practice, so some of that stuff, could maybe have been a little better run. Ran a 5th gen, that was really quick, good buddy. I also ran a blue 1LE, awesome car. Those were some really good runs, did 50s and 60 rolls. I kind of cut short because I was going to get these mounted, but obviously these are not mounted because I didn't get to the tire shop in time. But they will be getting mounted to the wheels here hopefully tomorrow so that we can go to the track. But if we can't get it done tomorrow, then it's okay. We'll just wait till next week. Tomorrow will be wash and wax kind of cleanup day for Cars and Coffee that's happening this Saturday. And also, I'll be going on the Sinclair Photos First Galveston Car Cruise right after the Cars and Coffee, and I'll make sure to bring you guys along with that in the next video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up. I'm really tired. Driving to Mexico and back is really exhausting, and I'm glad that I'm back, and I need to go to work tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.